Hello, word listeners. Welcome back. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting exploration of the English language. Today, our word of the day is commentator. What does it mean? How do we use it? Let's dive right in. A commentator is a person who explains or discusses live events, especially on television, radio, or the internet. Think of a football game, a political debate, or even an online gaming tournament. The person providing real-time analysis and insights is the commentator. In essence, they're the voice guiding you through the action, offering expertise and adding context. The word commentator is commonly used when referring to sports broadcasting, political analysis, and increasingly esports. You might hear someone say, "The commentator predicted that the home team would win," or the political commentator offered a nuanced perspective on the new policy. So, what are some words that are similar to commentator? Let's explore some synonyms. One is announcer. While an announcer primarily provides information, like the names of players or the current score, they can also offer commentary. For example, the announcer excitedly called out the home run during the baseball game. Another synonym is narrator. While a narrator is typically associated with storytelling, they can also act as a commentator by providing context and explanations during a live event. The narrator of the historical documentary offered insightful commentary on the causes of the war. Another option is pundit. A pundit is often used in the context of political or sports analysis, implying a certain level of expertise. You might hear, "The political pundit's analysis was particularly sharp." We also have reporter. While their primary role is to report facts, many reporters also provide commentary or analysis. The reporter provided background commentary as the election results came in. Now, let's consider some words that have the opposite meaning of commentator, are antonyms. One possibility is participant. A participant is actively involved in the event, rather than observing and commenting on it. For example, the participant ran the race, while the commentator described it. Another antonym could be spectator. A spectator is someone who watches an event, but doesn't necessarily provide analysis or commentary. The spectator cheered from the stands, while the commentator provided insights to the TV audience. Another one is bystander. A bystander is someone present at an event but is not involved and does not provide analysis. The bystander witnessed the accident, while the commentator analyzed the safety regulations. Also, consider recipient. They are the passive receiver of action or something, contrasting with the commentator. For example, the recipient of the award gave a speech, as the commentator offered remarks of their career. How can you use the word commentator in everyday life? Well, imagine you're watching a cooking show with a friend. You might jokingly say, "I feel like a commentator right now," analyzing every step the chef is taking. Or, if you are discussing a movie with someone, you could say, "Let me be the commentator and explain the plot twists." Let's look at some specific sentences and phrases using the word commentator. The sports commentator was known for his enthusiastic delivery. She's a regular commentator on the evening news program. The online gaming commentator has millions of followers. The commentator's insights helped viewers understand the complexities of the game. He aspires to be a commentator for Formula One racing. The commentator team consists of experts from various fields. The commentator said the team would need a miracle to win the game. Many people disagree with the political commentator. The audience valued the commentator's analysis because it was unbiased. The commentator's predictions were rarely accurate. The game will be broadcast with live commentator at 8 p.m. tonight. To summarize, a commentator is someone who explains or discusses live events. We explored synonyms like announcer, narrator, pundit, and reporter. We also looked at antonyms such as participant, spectator, bystander, and recipient. Remember that the word commentator is often used in sports, politics, and online entertainment. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this episode insightful and helpful. Before you go, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and learn about the English language. As always, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word commentator and share it as a comment under the video. I look forward to reading your creative examples. Happy learning!